How to start a poultry farming business in South Africa. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know, from choosing between broilers and layers, to costs, setup, operations, and most importantly, how to actually make money in this industry. If you've been thinking about starting a poultry business, this guide will give you the key steps to get started the smart way. 1. Market demand and industry overview. Poultry farming is one of the most profitable agribusinesses in South Africa. Chicken is the most consumed meat in the country, accounting for over half of all meat consumed. Despite high demand, South Africa still imports large amounts of chicken, leaving space for local farmers to enter the market. Chicken is more affordable than red meat, keeping demand consistently high across all income levels. This makes poultry farming attractive for both small-scale and commercial operations. 2. Choosing your model, broilers versus layers. Broilers are chickens raised for meat. They grow fast, usually reaching market size within 6 to 8 weeks, which allows for quick income but requires frequent restocking. Layers are hens raised for egg production. They take 5 to 6 months to start laying eggs, but then produce consistently for over a year, providing steady income. Choosing between broilers and layers depends on your budget, patience, and the type of market you want to target. Many farmers eventually diversify into both models to spread risk and maximize profits. Broilers require more attention to feed quality and growth management, as poor conditions can significantly affect weight gain and profit margins. Layers, on the other hand, demand careful monitoring of egg production cycles and nutritional balance to maintain consistent laying. Understanding the differences in labor, costs, and market demand will help you make the smartest decision for your poultry business. 3. Startup costs and funding options. Startup costs vary depending on the scale of your operation. Small-scale poultry businesses can require as little as 10 to 20,000 rand, while medium or large operations can need hundreds of thousands. Your main expenses include day-old chicks, feed, housing, equipment such as feeders and drinkers, and vaccinations. Feed alone can take up more than half of your monthly costs, so planning for a steady supply is critical. For funding, you can access government programs through the Department of Agriculture, as well as financing options from SEFA and NYDA. Banks and cooperatives also provide agricultural loans, though they typically require a solid business plan. Profitability comes after proper planning, budgeting, and investment. 4. Infrastructure and setup requirements. Setting up your poultry farm correctly is crucial for success. The size of your land will depend on the scale of your operation, but even small farms need adequate space for proper ventilation, lighting, and temperature control. Chicken housing should protect birds from extreme weather and predators while allowing enough room for them to move comfortably. Water and electricity are essential for feeding, drinking systems, and climate control. Biosecurity measures, such as controlling access to the farm and maintaining cleanliness, are vital to prevent disease outbreaks that can devastate your flock. Planning your layout carefully and investing in proper housing from the start can save both money and headaches later. Additionally, organizing your farm efficiently will reduce labor time and operational stress, making day-to-day management much smoother. Simple tools like feeders, drinkers, and proper flooring can drastically improve bird health and productivity. 5. Operations, feeding, health, and biosecurity. Feeding is the single largest recurring expense in poultry farming, so sourcing quality feed and planning ration schedules is critical. Broilers need high-protein feed for fast growth, while layers require a diet that supports egg production. Vaccinations and disease prevention are equally important. Common threats include avian flu, Newcastle disease, and bacterial infections, all of which can cause severe losses if not managed. Maintaining proper hygiene, disinfecting equipment regularly, and isolating sick birds can prevent major outbreaks. Record keeping is also essential. Tracking mortality rates, feed consumption, and egg production helps optimize operations and improve profitability over time. Monitoring bird behavior and growth patterns daily can help detect health issues early before they escalate. Consistent staff training and awareness of disease signs further protect your flock and reduce costly mistakes. 6. marketing, distribution, and profitability. Selling your poultry or eggs is just as important as raising them. Consider your target market: local markets, retailers, butcheries, restaurants, or direct-to-consumer sales. Understanding your competition and positioning yourself with a niche, such as free-range or organic products, can increase your chances of success. Pricing should reflect both production costs and local market demand. Profit margins vary, but careful planning, consistent production, and smart marketing can make poultry farming highly lucrative. As your operation grows, diversifying into both broilers and layers, or even value-added products, can maximize revenue and create long-term sustainability. Building strong relationships with buyers ensures steady demand and repeat sales. Exploring seasonal trends and adjusting supply accordingly can give you a competitive advantage and higher profitability. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss valuable guides like this. If you're serious about starting a poultry business and building real income in South Africa, subscribing now is the smartest first step you can take. Liking this video also helps us bring more practical, actionable business advice straight to you. Share this video with anyone thinking about starting a poultry farm. The knowledge here could save them thousands in mistakes and help them start earning faster. Subscribing isn't just a click, it's joining a community of smart, future-ready entrepreneurs who outsmart the economy rather than just watching it. Starting a poultry business is exciting, but success depends on careful planning and consistent execution. Once your initial operation is stable and profitable, think about scaling up. Consider expanding your housing, increasing flock size, or even automating certain processes to save time and labor costs. Look into partnerships with local retailers, restaurants, and markets to secure long-term contracts. Marketing is key. Branding your products, emphasizing quality, and creating trust with buyers will set you apart from competitors. Always reinvest part of your profits into improving infrastructure, feed quality, and health measures. Smart growth isn't just about size, it's about efficiency, quality, and consistency. Remember, poultry farming is a business first. Passion helps, but strategy ensures success. Starting a poultry farm in South Africa offers incredible opportunities, but only if you approach it with knowledge, discipline, and a clear strategy. The industry is growing, demand is high, and with the right planning, you can turn a small farm into a sustainable business. Take what you've learned in this video, plan carefully, and execute consistently. And as always, at Economic Indicators, we do not wait for the economy to change, we outsmart it.